In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Roblox account without password. So as an example, let me just go here and open a new tab and simply go to roblox.com. Once you do so, of course, you'll be taken here and you're going to try to click on login to log in into your account. If you don't want to use the password, you'll have, as an example, two options. You have email me one-time code as example, and you'll have use another device. So two methods to do so. You can go and enter email me one-time code and enter as an example that email, and they'll send you a code. Then, of course, here you'll have to enter your email first. As an example, once you do so, click on send code. They'll send you a code to your email, and let me just go through this like a human verification. And of course, they'll send you a code. You'll have to go to your email and enter that code, and you'll be logged in without a password. So yeah, start the puzzle. Here we are. Let me just go and click on submit. Okay, so there's like 7 of them. Let me just go do them and come back. As you can see, they send me here a code, so I'll have to enter it out and I should be good to go. For the other option, like use another device, as you can see, they'll give you 2 options. The first option is simply to scan the QR code using the device that you're logged in, like for example, your phone or something like that. Or option 2, simply enter this code and simply you'll have to go to more page and click on quick sign in. So an example here on my other option, I can just go to my settings as an example, and here we'll have to look for quick sign in. Oh, no need to click on settings. You'll have to click, you'll find like a quick sign in at the top right. So once you click on it, you'll have to enter the 6 character that they give me here. And once I do so, they'll log me right away. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.